everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build LEGO bricks. Today I'm back with another monthly mini build from LEGO. This one is 40287 from December 2018 and it is a reindeer and a sleigh. And I will show you how to make it and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at the end of the video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 6x4 standard base plate in white, and we're going to add some nice frozen details onto it. So we're going to attach a round stud in white on the front over here. We're going to stick another one just in trans blue and one back here as well to give a kind of snowy and icy effect. So now we're going to get a fountain slope piece in brown, and underneath it we're going to stick some more studs. So we're going to get two of these white studs, stick them together like this, stick them underneath the fountain slope piece like that, and we're going to stick it, I think, over here. Yes, over here. So we're going to get a 1x1 standard brick and place it over here, and a 2x2 standard brick as well back here. And we are making our reindeer at the moment, and there's so much stuff to do here. I'd better speed through it. So a 2x4 standard base plate on top of that. That's going to make the body of our reindeer. On the front we want a 1x2 jumper plate in dark grey like this, and on top of that a small clip element in dark grey as well, so we'll be able to attach our head later on. So behind that we will attach a 1x2 brick in brown as well like this, and now we're going to make the head of our reindeer. So we'll need one of these special pieces. I do not exactly know how to call them. I believe they're kind of more like sort of robot pieces. They've got plenty of places to clip onto handles and stuff like that, and a stud. So anyway, we will need a 1x1 standard brick stuck on here like so, and we're going to clip in the head on top like this. So now we have our reindeer's head. So now we're going to make some antlers for our reindeer, so we'll put that aside for a little moment. So we'll need two of these 1x2 base plates in a kind of light cream version, and two of these 1x1 base plates with clips, and we're going to stick them on top of these base plates over here to make our antlers. We're going to bring back our reindeer over here, and we're going to clip the antlers, or whatever they call. Do they have any other names, antlers? Never mind. So to make them more like antlers, all you need to do is slightly hinge the base plates on those clip base plates like this, and now we have our reindeer's head. Actually, what noise doesn't the reindeer make? Please let me know. And at the back, since it is going to pull a sleigh, we're going to get this base plate element with a ball joint on the end of it, and we're going to stick it at the back like this, like a very long tail. So now we're going to make this sleigh for our reindeer to pull. So we will need two of these 1x8 base plates with door sliding lines on the sides of them. I think something like that. A 2x4, no, a 2x6, 2x8, whatever, 2x6 standard base plate in brown on top here, and on either sides we'll want 1x2 tiles in black over here. So now we will need a kind of a special piece that I really like to use. It's kind of like plain boat hull piece, a small one in brown, and on the front we're going to attach some slopes. So we're going to get these simple black slopes. We're going to get two of them, and we're going to stick them on the front like this. And I've placed a tile incorrectly on here. Now let me just readjust that, stick it correctly in there, and now we stick this over here like so, and we'll get another one of those brown hull pieces, and we're going to stick it over here as well. In the base of this sleigh, we're going to add a 2x3 tile in light grey. We're going to stick it in like so. And at the back, we're going to attach 2 of these inverted roof tiles in brown. That's going to make the end slope of our sleigh to make it nice. Will you be quiet? Okay, so we'll need a 1x2 tile over here at the back. What do we need to add now? Okay, so a 1x4 base plate with an open ball joint, and we're going to stick that at the front here, and this is going to attach to our reindeer later. A 1x4, well, 2 of these 1x4 base plates in light grey as well on the sides. We'll need another one of those 1x2 tiles in black back here, and a 1x2 base plate in dark red. It goes very well with this brown to give you a very nice festive feel. So now we will need a 1x2 base plate with a handle, and this is in a kind of shiny gold, and on top of that another one of those dark red base plates on this. And we're going to stick it at the back, and this is going to be the beginning of our golden detail for our sleigh. So we'll need 2 of these 1x2 bricks with clips embedded into the side of them. We're going to stick them over here, and 2 of these 1x1 base plates with clips into them in gold stuck on the sides like so. Now we'll need some slope pieces. These are the more longer kind of simple slope pieces in dark red. This is going to give it a very nice smooth feel to our sleigh, and a 1x4 tile at the back of it here as well. Some more detail now. A 1x2 well, a kind of dual cheese slope in black. We're going to attach that over here at the back. I mean at the front. Oh gosh, I'm losing my mind here today. More of those clip elements on the sides here, and 2 more of the simple slope pieces in black. I'm just gonna stick them on here like so. So now we've added some nice smooth design to our sleigh, and now here comes some more fun pieces. So here we have some 4 long bars in a nice shiny gold, and these are going to be the kind of, I don't know, handles on the side of the sleigh, very long ones. We're going to add some lamps to this sleigh. Oh gosh, this is quite a long build. So what we will need is this selection of pieces. So we've got some two of these round jumper plates, I think that's what you call them. Some tubular pieces in a kind of light translucent yellow, and some of these kind of special handle pieces. And what we're going to do is we're going to assemble each one on top of the other to make some nice lanterns that we will stick on the side of the sleigh. So now let's bring our sleigh back and attach the lamps into the clips here. You can put them in any level you like. And now I believe it's time to make some presents, because this sleigh will be carrying presents for everyone out there. So we'll need these 2 bricks, a 2x2 brick and a 1x1 brick, and we're going to get 2 of these round studs in red. I'm going to stick one on here, the kind of label or wrapping or bows or whatever. We're going to take this sleigh and we're going to put the big one at the back, the little one back here. We're going to bring our reindeer, clip it into the joint. All my presents are flowing away. But there, we've done it. So there we have it. Our mini build reindeer and sleigh is complete. Gosh, that was a really long one. I hope I didn't make you fall asleep there. But anyway, this is a very awesome design over here. It has a big range of possibilities over here. So for instance, you can take the reindeer off this base plate if you want to. I'm not going to do it just now. And then of course you can make your own presents and stuff them in here. I believe I did make some presents myself one day. Do go check it out if you haven't seen it. And we've got some lovely gold decoration going through this sleigh, some lanterns. It really does have a very kind of festive feel for Christmas or something like that. And speaking of which, why you would be asking, why don't you put Santa in here? Well, unfortunately, Santa is having a nap before Christmas, so I have here a spaceman to take over his duties. So let's put Mr. Spaceman in here. He does fit nicely. He is in there, look, so you can jump out if he wants to. And then off we go. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you. And until next time, happy building! Woohoo! This is better than a space ride! Woo!